Hi, my name is Awesome Kid, and today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome, really fun bubble blower. So, what you need is a polystyrene cup, a straw, maybe a pencil, maybe something else, a rubber band, and a washcloth that has a lot of holes in it. Firstly, you get your polystyrene cup and you get a washcloth and you put it on the top. Then you get a rubber band and put the rubber band like that in a circle so it holds the washcloth on the top of this polystyrene cup. Now, after that you get your pencil, stick in a hole like this, then you get a straw, any colour, probably just paper, and then you stick it in the hole, and then you're done with your construction. And you need your bubble mixture, which is basically just water and any kind of washing up liquid. You put them in a bowl, mix them up, maybe play with them a little bit, and then you dip this like that into the cup. It drips. And then, when you're ready, blow in your straw and watch this. Bubbles. Really cool. And it's non-mess. It just pops apart. It's really fun. I really suggest you to try this at home. Hopefully no mess. Maybe a little bit of drip on your hand. But yeah, this is me, Awesome Kid, signing out. Bye!